Hello guys, welcome to my third class of curve fitting. In the previous class, we already discussed how to write the normal equation. Suppose if you want to find out best approximation equation to the curve for the straight line, say y is equal to a plus bx. Now I'm going to explain how if you want to find out best approximation. Suppose having some set of data, say x having y. Having same set of values, I told already in my previous videos, input, output depending upon how many inputs are given, x and y. Okay, fine. The next step is, now here I am going to explain, suppose having n set of values, how to find a best approximation equation to the parabola. Once you are talking about equation to parabola, everyone they taking a 4ax square or 4x square, x is equal to 4y square, like that. These two are nothing but particular cases of the parabola. If you want to find out the best approximation curve for the parabola, we are going to take general equation of the parabola is nothing but quadratic expression. In the problem, there may be mentioned, may not be mentioned also, keep in mind, whenever they are going to ask to fit a parabola, means I have to take a general equation of the curve is quadratic form. This is a general equation of the parabola. I told very clearly in my previous video, if you want to find out a best approximation curve from the given set of data by using method of least square, first you write the general equation. Here I want to find a parabola, first you have to take my general equation is what actually y is equal to a plus bx plus cx. In this general equation, how many unknowns you have? 3 unknowns. Now I want to minimize these 3 unknowns, means I required how many, I have to differentiate partially with respect to a, with respect to b, with respect to c. How many equations are expecting? 3 equations. Therefore, first you have to take as usual what I explained in the previous first slide. A, with respect to a I am going to take, therefore what's the quotient of a is 1, first you multiply it by the given equation. We get the same equation, take summation on both sides. Why I taken summation, I explained in my previous video. We are taking the difference between present value minus previous value, error, square of the error. Summation, I ranging from how many values you have? N values. Yi. Once you take summation in the right hand side, a plus bxi plus cxi square for I ranging from 1 to n. Expand that, I told number of times, a is a constant, a is repeated how many times. Then I still have it out, how is repeated n times. For example, summation of 2 plus xi for I is equal to 1 to 2. What's the first I is equal to 1? 2 plus x1. What's I is equal to 2 plus 2 plus x2. Therefore 2 is repeated how many times? 2 times. Like that, a is repeated n times. Depends upon how many place of values. B is a constant, b into xi for I ranging from 1 to n plus c into sigma xi square for I ranging from 1 to n. This is one of the normal equation we get from the general equation. Then I have to take one equation we get. And take next unknown. What's the next unknown? B. What's the coefficient of b is x. First you multiply by x. What we get? X by ax plus bx square and then c x2. Okay. And then you take summation. While taking summation, I told very clearly, change x and y is yi and xi for I ranging from 1 to n. While taking summation, take summation of the first term plus summation of the second term, summation of the third term. While taking summation, a is a constant, keep it outside. Because only what are the values in the table, x and 1. I ranging from 1 to n. Here also summation I ranging from 1 to n. Okay. This is another one normal equation. Now I am moving to the next. What's the quotient of x? The c. C based on c I want to write. What's the quotient of c other than c? Suppose having negative sign, you take along with that also. But here plus only x square. First you multiply by x square both the side. Now ax square plus bx cube and then cx to the power of 4. And then you take summation on both sides. Once you take summation, change x and y is yi because they are having number of n values. I ranging from 1 to n xi square and then I ranging from 1 to n xi cube and then ing from 1 to n xi to the power of 4. I think it's clear how why I keep ABC outside because it's constant. This is another one normal equation. Here I want to find out how many unknowns? 3 unknowns. If you want to find out 3 unknowns, how many equations are equal? 3 equations. 2, 3 and 4 are the normal. These 3 are the normal equations. Once you write the normal equation, as usual, you consult the table. The first 2 columns are nothing but the given data xi and yi. The last row gives us total. Find out the total. And then along with that, what all the values are equal in the normal equation for the summation value, find out. I required xi square, I required xi by I, I required xi square yi value, and also required xi cube, and also required xi to the power of 4. Now these values are required. You find out, substitute. How to find out? They given the data, using that you substitute and simplify that. We get a data. Once you get that, substitute in these 3 equations. Use your standard calculator, solve system of equation. Immediately we get ABC. Once you get ABC value, and then you write y must be equal to substitute a value, substitute b value, and substitute c value. Then we say that this is a required best approximation equation. This is an equation actually, equation to the parabola from the given set of data by using method of least square. Here in mathematically we are finding best approximation equation. Once we get a equation, you know that from this equation you plot that, we get a parabola. Then we say that this is a best approximation parabola for the given set of data or original data also. Are you clear? In the mathematically we are explaining how to find out best approximation equation or equation of the parabola from the given set of data by using method of least square. I think this is clear. Before moving to the next method type of curve, first you write the general equation. Observe once you write the general equation of the corresponding required curve. Observe how many unknowns. Based on that we get the normal equation. Once you write the normal equation, already I told two method how to write the normal equation. Then you consult the table. Once you consult the table, use the given set of data, and then frame a system of equation. You solve by using calculator. You get the values ABC, and then you substitute in the general equation. That is, you say that it's the best approximation of equation to the parabola from the method of least squares. Now moving to the next other type of nonlinear curve, say y is equal to a into b power x. Now, see, we are talking about first two cases are nothing but polynomial. It's a polynomial in x, polynomial in polynomial. It's a linear in x. This is a quadratic in x. But this is not a polynomial. X is in the power. Keep in mind, if you want to write a normal equation, always you convert the given equation, the curve in the form of polynomial, and then you write the corresponding normal equation. You can't. That's one point you have to remember. Straight line fine and the parabola is fine is all the form of polynomial. Keep in mind, if you want to write a normal equation, first you observe that is a nonlinear curve. Yes, it's a nonlinear curve. You have to convert this nonlinear curve in the form of polynomial, and then you write the normal equation. Then only what you are expecting the original concept of partial derivative equal to 0, that equation and also this equation is same. Now, this is a third curve. How to plot a curve equation to the curve y is equal to a into b power of x. Here, what we are going to do here, first you have to convert this in the form of linear. First I have to convert in the form of polynomial. How to convert? I have to remove the power. Means I have to convert power in the form of product. How to convert? Take log on both sides. Keep in mind, I written only a log in mathematics means basis. In the first year we already studied. Once you write log in the mathematics, means that understood basis E. Suppose any other ways, first you should have to mention. Don't confuse with your optional subject to this math subject. Now I written log means basic. While doing calculation also, please use log basic. Or if you want to take log base, then you mention it, this is a log base. Don't confuse. Okay? Take log in the right hand side, log of a into b power of x. Now I have to simplify this. How to simplify? Log of AB is nothing but log A plus log B. While taking log B power A power of n, what is log A power of n is same way to log A. Log A means log B. Now for my convenience, after I have taken log, what are the variable, what are the constant you have a log, better I have to replace it by capital letter. I am going to take this is capital Y. Now capital A, X you don't have log, and leave it as itself, capital B into X. Where log Y is equal to log Y, capital A is equal to log A, capital B is equal to log. Okay, fine. Log small. Now is converted to automatically which form? Linear form. Therefore, how to proceed? As usual, you know how to proceed in the linear form. Next, you write the normal equation. What's the first normal equation? Everyone you know that NEDA. I am not explaining because it's already explained. Based on A. Next, based on B. First, you multiply by X and take summation. Small xi. Keep in mind, that's why even though in the textbook they given all the places capital, I am not going to give reference to the change everywhere capital because we are confused at the end. This must be equal to A into sigma xi plus B into sigma xi square. These two are the normal equations. Based on B we get. How many equations are expecting? 2 equations. Next you consider the table. While consider the table, little bit you have to take care for this. First 2 columns are nothing but the given data. But here I don't want small y. I require capital Y. Therefore I have to find out capital Y is equal to in the next column log yi. We are doing calculation based on log yi. That's all. Once you get, you neglect yi because we are not going to use this value. And next I require what are the other values? I require small xi square and also small xi to capital Y. Okay? Now, but you have, generally they are not given the values of capital Y. They are given small y. Take the log of each of the value BC, we get the corresponding y, capital Y1, capital Y2, capital Y3. Okay. After that, you substitute and simplify that. We get this table value. Once we get these values, substitute. Now we get an equation in terms of capital A and capital B. We solve this equation. Finally, we get capital A and capital B. But keep in mind, I require small a and small b. What is capital A? Capital A is equal to log A. How to remove the log? Take exponential. That implies A is equal to what? E power of B. Okay. Similarly, capital B is equal to log B. Capital B equal to log B. Okay, fine. Small b. What is my b value? Take exponential because e power of log of f of x is in mathematical, you already know that is f of x. Therefore, e power of capital. Using this, we have to find out. I think now you have to substitute the values of small a and small b, not for capital B. Just you take exponential of capital A, exponential of capital B. Substitute where I am going to substitute. Here I am going to substitute where in the original that A and B. Once you substitute A and B, we get general equation, best approximation equation of the curve A into B power of x by using method of least square. One thing is, whenever I am going to wind up my this video, other than linear curve, first observe, keep in mind, don't write immediately normal equation. The equation to the general equation to the required curve must be in the form of polynomial. It's not in the polynomial, I have to convert in the polynomial. How to convert? Here I taken log. Why I have taken log? You have a power. How to remove the power in the form of product? I take log. Once you take log, after the simplification, it automatically is reduced to linear form. Proceed like that, but finally, I have to find out small a, small b, take exponential of a, capital A, exponential capital B. While solving the problem also, here I have to observe, I don't want small y, if not for the given value, take the log of each value. But here, I take the log means base is e. If you are very interested to log base 10, please take it log. While finding y, take log base 10. While finding small a, small b, also use log base 10. Don't mix both. Finally, you don't get it correct answer. Most of the students make mistake. First beginning they taken log base 10. At the end they taking basic. It's definitely you don't get it correct answer. You take care for this point, and then I'm going to solve one problem in each of the case. First, I'm going to convince all the different type of the case, how to write the general equation, how to write the normal equation, how to construct the table, how to proceed, how to find out the unknowns, how to fit a equation to the best approximation given equation the curve by using method of BCD. Thank you.